much for showing so much of love and blessings towards me. As promised, I come daily and answer your questions. So recently we received a request from the native where he would like to understand that what donation should I do during the Pitru Paksh. Pitru Paksh is a very good time to get the gratitude, pay gratitude towards your ancestors. We should do donations as per your birth chart. This will be going to help you out to get the blessings of your ancestors. What exactly we should donate during this time? First, if you know your birth chart, then you should donate the items related to the planets which is sitting between the axis of Virgo to the Pisces. You have to open your birth chart, see what all planets are sitting between the Virgo zodiac sign to the Pisces zodiac sign. You should do donation of all the planets because this is your pending karmas. If you pay, you have to pay off this pending karma in this life, and the best way to paying off is that feed cows, feed animals, donate the same to the needy. So the best is take the planets from there and do the donations related to it. Second is, during this time, every day try to light up a lamp in the south direction of your house and pray to your ancestors for the blessings. Try to light up the lamp every day after the sunset. This will help you out to get the blessings of your ancestors. Third is, at least try to plant at least one tree on the name of your ancestor and try to offer to them. This will help you out to remove the karmic pending karmas which is still there in this life with you. Fourth is, try to donate some clothes to this nearby temple. To Panditji you can offer, or if you are not finding the Panditji at your place, then you can offer the cloth to any needy person also. This is going to help you out to get the blessings of your ancestors. So remember your ancestors.